Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Please sit down.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Maulana Putra Ngandasam. Today I will be your counselor. What's your name?
My name is Saka Austiar Santosa.
How do you do, Saka?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm a student social welfare from Queen Syarif Hidayatullah, Jakarta.
Is this your first time for counseling?
Yes, this is my first time for counseling.
What would like to discuss today?
Today I would like to discuss about the lack of awareness of my cleanliness in my neighborhood.
That must be very disturbing. Have there been any effort to address this issue?
There is some community service, but the participate is low. Many people don't care about it.
Indeed, building awareness is not easy. Perhaps you could organize a more interesting campaign, such as a cleaning competition or socialization on the health effect of waste.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I also thought about organizing some competition, but I worry there's nobody want to join the competition that I held.
How about involving school and the local community? Because children can be effective agent of change.
Yes, children may be easier to engage. I will talk to the student later and the teacher too.
Good. You can also put up information board or banner about the importance of keeping clean with attractive picture and message.
Yes, that's good idea too. That could be attract the attention. And I also talk to organize some meeting. And once again, I worry there's nobody want to join the meeting that I held. Can you tell me how?
Start with a small group of concerned people, then gradually invite more people.
That's a good idea. Maybe I will start with a small group, and I will start too with people who care about cleanliness in my neighborhood. Yeah.
Good. Good approach. Small change can have a big impact. Remember, consistency is important.
Yeah. Thank you for advice. I feel more energized to do it again.
You're welcome. Good luck with your endeavors. I am here if you need support.
Yeah, thank you. I will say thank you too, and I will do the take next step to the right way.
Hope everything goes well. See you in the next season.
See you in the next season. Thank you, Putra.